What is going on? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Plus. As always, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified of when a new video goes live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing of this iPhone 15 Plus. So here in the UK, for 128GB of storage, it will set you back £899. And if you need more storage, you can get up to 512GB of storage, and that'll set you back £1,199. It's available in a range of pastel colours from blue, pink, yellow, green and black. And if you're based in the United States, 128GB will set you back $899 and 512GB will set you back $1,199. But enough about that, let's crack open the box, pulling the tabs in the top and bottom at the back of the box. And in typical Apple fashion, pulling the box reveals the iPhone sat atop. And as I mentioned, this colour is quite pastel, so it's not quite as striking as you'd probably imagine. But enough about that, let's put the iPhone 2 aside and see what other things come included with it. So the first thing that you get with this iPhone is your Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope, and within this you'll find your SIM card ejection tool, which is shortly followed up by information on your Apple limited warranty in both English and French, along with further regulatory details and health and safety notices. And you'll also find one white Apple sticker, which is once again a missed opportunity as the Apple stickers are not colour matched to the colours of the iPhone. And the last item included with this iPhone is your braided USB-C to yes USB-C cable. Now this cable will be used to charge up this iPhone along with transferring data to and from this device. As I mentioned, it is braided but not colour matched like we've seen with other iMac models. It also has an approximate length of 1 meter. And then you'll find the iPhone itself. Now, as I mentioned, the colour of this iPhone is very pastel-like. And so the colour is not as saturated as you'd probably imagine. Now on the right side of this iPhone, you'll find the side button, which is responsible for locking the device, not to mention a long press will activate Siri. On the bottom of this iPhone, you'll find your microphone and speakers, along with that USB-C port. On the other side of this iPhone, you'll find your SIM card slot, along with your volume controls, and finally your mute switch, as this iPhone 15 Plus does not have the action button like we see with the iPhone 15 Pro models. So be sure to subscribe if you want to be one of the first 5,000 people to do so. Also, I will be comparing the cameras on this iPhone to other models, so you might want to stick around to see those videos. If you've got anything that you'd like to see in particular compared or tested to this iPhone, then leave a comment down below in this video's comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.